got to get it to work by playing with the drain brake.
Okay.
So the phrase to get the release on it, or quick charge, is the handle of the knob. So slide the handle over, all the way to release, and then turn the knob to front, or brake. You got to push it in. Just knob.
Like that?
Yep, like that. If we get it right, we'll get a release.
Okay.
And the red's going down, so we're getting a release. All right, 2 tubes.
All right.
Up L, and let's go. 2 tubes. Forward. And forward and release. You don't need to do anything with that. You just need to take 1 notch, and then we'll do a running brake test. To make sure we do have brakes. We didn't this morning.
Okay.
We almost ran off the end of the rear.
Oh, geez.
So let's do a set, application.
Right here?
Yeah. Go ahead. See if we stop or slow down. Keep going. Don't be changed. Don't be scared. These composition shoes don't stop as good as the steel ones.
Yeah.
Now we're slowing down. So you got to be faster brake test.
Okay.
10 miles per hour is what we need.
Okay.
So control your speed with the throttle.
Okay.
Because that's more economical than wearing out the wheels of the brake shoe. for it to bleed down.
Okay.
See, in a North Shore tray, you just put the lever down on the floor, below the stand, and you can walk away from it. It's going to take care of it.
Yeah.
See, we got to turn the knob here, so we got to wait.
Okay.
So go ahead. We're down and up.
Like that?
We turn that back to release.
This guy right here?
No, the independent.
Oh, yeah,
independent. Otherwise, we wouldn't go anywhere. We cut in the other. It's like the other one. Release and turn the knob. Handle the knob. Because my female operator this morning, she giggled a little bit. I don't know what she was thinking, but anyhow.
Work clear.
All right, you two, ring the bell and go.
Okay.
We'll do all the brake tests before we get really going. Okay.
All right, I'll throw the switch here.
Do a brake test. We'll get going. If you got brakes, we'll let you wind her up the fourth notch. We'll be along there a little bit.
We're going on to station track 2, is that correct? Yes. No, it's not lined for that. It's lined for track 1. I see, okay.
Yeah, don't be shy. Same as the other one. Alright, we're slowing down. Alright?
Feel it.
Okay. Well, we'll feel it and see it. It's good. Pull it up to 4. You don't need to go much more now. We got 2 locomotives running here.
Yeah.
Clear signal.
Clear signal.
Okay, 30. Let's show up 10 cars. 10 feet.
Full throttle probably.
That'll do.
Over crossing. Always got a big winner today, Dick.
15 feet, please. Are you guys ready there? That'll do.
Second switch target. Beyond the lip one. That's where we need to stop.
Okay.
Why you don't switch with these. You can't see what's in front of you, but you can see down the railroad.
Yeah, exactly.
More. This is where you want to stop.
Yep. Good here.
Bell off, 1, 2. And center reverser.
Hey, Real fans, thanks for watching. If you like the video, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And if you'd like to see more railroad content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Until next time, my name is Andrew Mangalindan, and I'll see you along the tracks.